Okay, guys, we're still in tactic number 4. Find the motivated lead generation. All right, jumping right over to here. Step 1, stop doing what doesn't work. When you have fewer leads than you need, you really do have a problem you can't ignore. Ayn Rand summed up this challenge extremely well when she wrote, "We can evade reality, but we cannot evade the consequences of evading reality. The consequences of evading the reality of your lead generation situation could be dire. The way to avoid this is to acknowledge your situation and do something about it. The first step is to stop doing what doesn't work. You start by realizing that time and money are really the two basic tools that you have to generate leads. So you must absolutely stop spending any time or money on lead generation activities that aren't working. Seems obvious and sounds simple, right? But the trick isn't in getting it, it's in doing it. Your goals haven't changed. You know what your annual income goal is, and you know the number of sales you must close to hit it. What has changed is the number of appointments you are going on and the number of leads it takes to get those appointments. The question you're going to answer is, what am I doing or spending money on that is no longer effective since the market shifted? You can only know this by associating your valid leads and your lead sources with your closed sales. If you haven't already been tracking this, get out a pen and paper and do the following exercise. Write down your top 10 sources of leads. This could be individuals who send you referrals, or it could be any methods you currently use. What you're trying to answer is, where do my leads come from? Next, write beside each one the number of valid leads or closings that lead has brought you. Then prioritize them by numbering them from 1 to 10, with number 1 being the most demonstrably effective and number 10 being the least. Take the bottom 5 and stop allocating time or money to them and aim all your resources to the top 5 that are working. Note, the total number isn't as important as the idea of only working the most effective ones. Do this every month, because effectiveness is an ongoing and never-ending process of evaluation and adjustment to find the sweet spot, the lead source zone that's working for you. And then down here, guys, identify your lead source zones. You got all the different stuff. Hope that helped, and we'll see you next time.